Hello everyone, in this video we will discuss about lowest common multiple. So basically what lowest common multiple means is that in our earlier classes we have discussed about common multiples, that means multiples which are common to each other if two numbers are given. Okay, so for all those common multiples the lowest value will be our LCM. Say for example we are given two numbers 3 and 4. Okay, 3 and 4 are two numbers were given, and if you find out the multiples of 3, then what will the multiples of 3? Multiples of 3 will be 3, then 3 to the 6, 3 to the 9, 3 to 3 4 the 12, then 15, then 18, and so on. Okay, now if we talk about the multiples of 4, what will the multiples of 4? 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, and so on. Okay, so in this case we will find various common multiples. Okay, somewhere here we will get 24 also. Okay, 18, there will be 21, after 21 it will be 24. Okay, then 27, and it will go on. Okay, then in this case of 4 also, after 20 we'll get 24, then 28, and so on. Okay, so what are the common multiples of 3 and 4? We can see that this 12, okay, and after the 12 we get this 24. Okay, and so on, we'll keep getting. Next we'll get 48. So like that these common multiples will get, and of all these common multiples, which is the smallest one? This 12. 12 over here, this is the smallest common multiple. Smallest also means the lowest. So lowest common multiple means, okay, the smallest value of all the common multiples. Understood? So this is what LCM is. Okay, now when two numbers are given, okay, if two numbers are given and we are to find out the LCM, and we have two ways or two methods to find the LCM, and these two methods are, first one is prime factorization. First one is prime factorization. Number two is division method. Okay, so we have two methods. Prime factorization, that means after finding the prime factors, like in the case of HCF we have done that, and in the second case by dividing the numbers also. Okay, in this video we will discuss about these two methods, how to find LCM. What prime factorization method is to find LCM of two numbers. Okay, so before finding LCM, I want you to recall what prime factorization was. We have done that earlier. Try to recall what you have done in the prime factorization method. Okay, so what we have done in a prime factorization method is that if we have any number, say 8, we have written that number in the form of the product of all the prime numbers. Okay, that is 2 into 2 into 2. Product of these numbers will be 8, 2 to the 4, 4 to the 8. But here all the numbers are prime. So that was our prime factorization. Okay, so let's take two numbers 16 and 20. Now here we have to find what? We have to find LCM. Okay, so for this 16 and 20 both we will apply prime factorization. That means in the rough side you will work out for this 16. Okay, 2 8 is 16, 2 4 is 8, 2 2 is 4. So how many 2's are there? 1 2 3 4. So we can write 16 as 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. Do the prime factorization here and take these numbers and write here. Okay, understood this part? Now take 20 as well. Okay, take 20 and write 20 in the form of prime factors. How to find out? Just take 20 and do its prime factorization. 2 tens are 20, 2 5s are 10. 5 is a prime number, so we'll stop. So the prime factors of 20 will be 2 into 2 into 5, 2 into 2 into 5. This much clear? Since the method is prime factorization, we will find all the prime factors of the given numbers. Okay, understood? This much clear? Okay, now let us see in these two prime factorization which numbers are common. Means in 2, 2, 2, 2 and 2, 2, 5 which are common in both 16 and 20. So we can see that this pair of 2 is common. Like we have done in HCF, the first step will be the same as HCF. You find the common numbers. Okay. In this case our LCM will be this pair of 2 we have got, you write it here. Okay, multiply. See if you have any other common pair or not. So we can clearly see that these 2 and these 2 over here, they are common. So take this pair also 2. Okay. Now in our HCF we have stopped here because we do not have any more common pairs. But in LCM we will continue. Whatever numbers are left we will write here. What are left? 2 into 2 is left and 5 is left. Okay, so we'll add this 2 into 2 with here, 2 into 2 and this 5 also into 5. We'll write like this. Understood? What we have done? We have just taken the common pairs first. Okay, like in HCF we have done. So we have taken the common pairs first, then whatever, once the common pairs are finished, we have no more common pairs. Whatever numbers are left, we have written those numbers here. Okay, in this case what was left? 2, 2 and 5 was left, so we have written 2, 2 and 5. Okay, now you just multiply. So if you multiply here, 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 2s are 16, 16 5s are 80. Okay, so our LCM will be 80. In this way we find the LCM of two given numbers by using prime factorization method. Okay, now let us take another example. Okay, say the question is find the LCM of 3 and 7. Okay, so if we have to find the LCM of 3 and 7, what we can see that 3 and 7 both are prime numbers. Okay, now in that case if two prime numbers are given, then their LCM will be simply 3 into 7, which is 21. Okay, this product will be only in the case of two prime numbers. Okay, since 3 and 7 are prime numbers, so LCM will be 3 times 7 is 21. Can you say what is the LCM of say 7 and 11? Just quickly, 7 and 11 both are what? Prime numbers, so their LCM will be 7 into 11, that is 77. Okay, understood this method? What was the method? The method is prime factorization method. Okay, let's come to division method. In division method what we will do, we will just apply short division method. Okay, now one thing about this division method is that we can take out LCM of more than two numbers very easily using this method. Okay, so let us take an example. Say we have three numbers 10, 15 and 20, and we have to find what? LCM. Okay, so in division method what we will do, we will write 10, 15 and 20 like this, and we will give it like this. Okay, now we will take the shortest prime number, okay, or any prime number, to divide these numbers. we can see that if you take 2, okay, this 10 will be divisible, this 20 will be divisible, but 15 will not be divisible. Okay, no problem, we can take 2. Okay, don't worry about that, you just take 2 and divide. 2 5s are 10. Now give comma, and now since 15 is not divisible by 2, we'll keep 15 as it is. Okay, since 15 is not divisible by 2, we will keep 15 as it is, we will not disturb this 15. Okay, now since 20 is divisible by 2, we will divide. Okay, 2 10s are 20. Now what are the three numbers now? 5, 15 and 10. Now we can see clearly that 5, 15 and 10, all of them are divisible by 5. So we'll take 5. Okay, now we'll divide these three numbers by 5. These numbers, now you are free to choose. You're free to choose any number you want, but that number must divide these numbers which are inside. Okay, so 5 1s are 5, 5 3s are 15, and 5 2s are 10. Okay, once you get all the prime numbers here, once you get all here are prime numbers, okay, then you stop. Or even if you continue, there is no harm. We can take 3, 1. This one will not be divisible, so we'll keep 1 like this. 3 1s are 3. 2 is not divisible, so we'll keep 2 like this. Again take 2. This one will be undisturbed. This one will also be undisturbed, and 2 1s are 2. We get 1 1 1. So our LCM will be 2 into 5 into 3 into 2. 2 into 5 into 3 into 2. Okay, 2 5s are 10, 3 2s are 6, 6 10s are 60. So 60 will be our LCM. Understood? Let us take another example. Okay, our question is find the LCM of 14, 21 and 42. Okay, 14, 21 and 42, these three numbers are given, and for these three numbers we have to find the LCM. So what we will do, we will write 14, 21 and 42 like this, and we will start our short division. Okay, so clearly we can see that this 14 and 42 will be divisible by what, 2, but 21 will not be divisible by 2, so let's not worry about that. We'll start with 2, as long as we have at least two numbers which are divisible. Okay, so 2 7s are 14. Since 21 is not divisible by 2, so we'll keep 21 as it is. Okay, we'll not disturb this. Now this 42, how to divide with 2? 2 2s are 4, then 2 1s are 2, so 21 will get. Okay, now we can see that 7, 21 and 21, all these numbers will be divisible by 7. So rather than going for 3 or 5, we'll take 7. Okay, then 7 1s are 7, 7 3s are 21, 7 3s are 21. Okay, 7 1s are 7, 7 3s are 21, 7 3s are 21. Okay, now that we have 3 and 3 over here, for these two 3's we can take 3 here and divide them. This one will be as it is, because we cannot do anything about this one with 3. So 3 1s are 3, 3 1s are 3. Okay, therefore LCM will be what? 2 into 7 into 3. Okay, this one no need to write as multiplication. 2 into 7 into 3, and 2 into 7 into 3 is 2 7s are 14, 14 3s are 42. So our answer is 42. Okay, understood this short division method of finding LCM? Okay, so I hope the two methods that we have discussed today, that is prime factorization method of finding LCM and the division method of finding LCM, these two methods are clear to you and you have understood very well. Okay, and if you have any doubt, you can ask me. Okay, thank you.